to Cooking with Precious. It's your favorite cook, Precious. I hope you enjoyed the recipe I'm about to share with you. So guys, this is crayfish rice. It's a low budget recipe. It is quick and it is easy. Like I promised low budget recipes, this is my first low budget recipe on this channel. So let's get into the video. So guys, these are the ingredients we are going to be using for this recipe. You just need 1 cup of basmati rice or any rice you have at home. This is my crayfish. I just put it in the blender and that's why it doesn't look the way crayfish usually looks. Then this is my chopped red onions. Then this is my dried fish. I just washed it, I haven't cooked it. And then this is my normal mixture, you know. That's pepper, ginger, garlic, and what else? Ginger, pepper, garlic. I think that's all. That's what we have there. So these are all the ingredients. As you can see, it's a very simple recipe. That's why we just need few ingredients for the whole recipe. Obviously, while I'm cooking, I would show you the salt measurement and Maggi and any other ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. So let's get into the video. And the measurement of each of this, you can see here in grams and calories, would always be in the description box, or maybe I'll insert it in the screen, but I doubt it being on the screen, so it's probably be in the description box. So guys, the first thing we are going to do is to fry our onions. You just need 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, olive oil, any oil you have in your house. So in goes my onions. As you all know, I always like to season my onions first because I just feel like it's part of the flavor. So we just add salt. 1 teaspoon should do, or you can just taste it based on for you. Then this one, just need to sprinkle it generously because my mom makes curry at home, so her curry is like, I don't think anyone that sells curry makes curry like my mom. So I will put enough there because it always does something to the food. And then I just added my thyme. Then I'll add some black pepper, just a little bit, because as you know, I don't like pepper, so just a little bit. And then we're going to give it a stir. You can see it's already looking beautiful. Now in goes my dried fish. To be honest, you can always add the ingredients based on how you want it, but this is how I like to do it, because fish is something else that needs the seasoning as well. We haven't added our Maggi. Don't forget to add your Maggi. So now I'm adding my Maggi. I'll add 1 cube first and then I'll see if I need more. Now I'm going to add my crayfish. Remember, it's crayfish, right? So you need a good amount of crayfish so you can get the crayfish flavor. I'm really sorry for the background noise. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's looking beautiful. Now we've added our, my camera is pissing me off. So now we'll add our pepper mixture. Now we are going to add our rice. I'm using Basmati rice. So for those of you watching your weight, Basmati rice is a good option. Brown rice is also a very good option. But brown rice, I just don't like the way it used to be. So I'm still researching for long grain brown rice. Haven't found yet. So now we're going to give it a good stir. If you have stock water already, this is a good time to add your stock water. But if you don't have, you can just add normal water like I am going to. By the way, it's a low budget meal, so you don't even need stock water if you don't have stock water. That's why we added seasoning. So now I'm going to add my water. So now I'm going to add that extra Maggi cube. So now I'm going to add the extra Maggi cube that I was supposed to add. Now we leave to cook. So guys, right now the kitchen is looking beautiful. The kitchen is looking beautiful, and I'm guessing my rice is ready because I can hear it burning. Yep, can you see? This is what your rice should look like. Guys, I can't wait to taste this because I am sure it's going to be really nice. But yes, this is what it looks like when it's ready. Quick and easy recipes on this channel. I kept to my word. This food has only taken me like 20 minutes and it's ready. So if you don't have enough ingredients at home to do stir fry or something, this is a good meal to cook for the family. So I went outside to give you guys a better view of what it looks like. Guys, try this recipe. That's all I can say. Yummy. So guys, just like I promised on my first video on this channel that I would create low budget recipes. This is a very low budget recipe. As you saw in the beginning, you only needed a few ingredients. That's onions, rice, crayfish, dry fish, and onion, pepper, ginger, garlic, and rice, and you have a meal. It's low budget, it's quick, it's simple, like I always do. So please try out this recipe. I loved it. Everyone loved it. The smell alone, the aroma alone, guys, is amazing. Try this recipe. I hope you try it. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share the video, and don't forget to comment down below if you tried out the recipe. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. Bye guys, till next time.